guys, it's Emilia and Brooke, and we are getting ready for another fabulous WearHouse weekend.
And this week we want to talk about our favorite wardrobe combo, which is black and white, but we're not going to actually do that. So what we want to show you is other color combinations that are fun and fabulous, maybe even a little bit unexpected.
Yes.
So while we have our favorite black and white wardrobe staples, let's show them some really cool color combinations that work just as well.
Life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like I've been walking on air. Left all my worries and cares. I've got no burdens around you. I don't care who knows I love you. 'Cause I've been so lost without you. And in my darkest times, you got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good.